Alright guys, we talk with proof. This is an example of a trade that we took. Okay, so when is the market going to make a big move? This is going to be a very short video, and really going to be is very short. So when is the market going to make a big move? Right now, I'll just give it to you. The market is going to make a big move when the big players buy or when they sell. Okay, so when they buy, market is going to move very strongly to the upside, because when they buy in large quantity, and that's going to shift price. Okay, or when they sell, market's going to push down very strongly, because when they sell in large volume. Very simple. So your question that I always ask myself as a trader when looking to capture big moves like this is, where are they buying, where are they selling? Now, it takes patience for you to be able to capture things or moves like this, okay? But I tell you, it is highly rewarding. Very rewarding, because your risk can be very small the moment you know how to, go through or make your way around the chart. Your risk can be very small, but your profit potential is really high. Can you see this? The moment we took the trade, guys, it moved up. This is the 4-hour chart. And for close to 2 weeks now, this trade has been running, right? And this has been awesome. It's been awesome. So let me just give you a little bit of hint. When will the big boys buy? Okay, now I want you to also understand something, that the liquidity providers or the dealers can actually engage in massive repricing. Okay, so liquidity providers, for instance, they can take the liquidity of traders, right, and run the trade against them. So when the institution traders look to buy as well, they also go through the same route. So let me go to the daily chart and I'll show you something. Okay, now I want you to look at this. Grab this. Okay, you see this low? Resting below this low is going to be liquidity. Resting below this low is going to be liquidity. So when the market was going up like this, who do you think was buying? Retail traders, right? Retail was buying this, and retail would not buy as when price was this low. Most of the time, the retail traders will buy when the price is already here. Okay, now, so resting below this is going to be liquidity. Resting below this is going to be liquidity. So once they take those liquidity, guys, once they take those money, they run those, through those lows to take this liquidity, and that is when they are ready to make the big move. All right, listen, it doesn't just end with running the liquidity. When they take those liquidity, once they take price down there to activate those stop loss, because stop losses are going to be resting below here, sell stops. Now the big traders need those sell stops to establish their buy positions. That is why you see market started to rise from here. They bought little here. It is called hedging. They bring in a little bit of they come in little by little, because they cannot fully take in the trade. So once they run the stops that were below here, that's liquidities, they bought that up. You can see when price went up, then dropped down again to take the liquidity that's sitting below here, and then that's when a decisive move was made back to the upside. Really strong move. Now, me capturing this low, there's a little bit more than just what I just pointed out here, but this is actually one of those things that we look for. So, but this low, right, was reacting to something else. Okay, so, but I just want you to understand that the market is only going to make a big move when the big players decide to trade. Once they come into trade, the market is ready to make a big move. And you need to know how to follow their steps. Okay, you need to know how to follow their steps to be able to time their move. You need to watch them closely. And all we used to watch them, guys, is price, is the charts. Very simple, guys. So yeah, they buy below lows, all right, and they sell above highs. Very simple and straight. You know, this is not one of those things that have been taught in most of these trading books we see, and that was why for a long time I was running around cycles, guys. You know, but this is what it is. This is what it is. So beautiful, guys. If you wanna, you can chat me up on Telegram, and we can talk over there. But I will be, bringing some videos to you guys soon, um, where I'll be showing you candlestick patterns, some candlestick patterns that I really love. Ever heard of the parent candlestick pattern? All right, or the family candlestick pattern. That's what I like to call it, the family candlestick pattern. Very, very powerful candlestick pattern. The twin pillar, you know, that the names maybe, kind of, it may not be familiar to you, but I tell you, when I bring it to you, you will see the power in it. It is really, really awesome when you combine those candlestick patterns with key levels, as I'll be showing you, with reference points, key reference points. When you combine those candlestick patterns with those, it is awesome. Really, really powerful. All right, so until next time, guys. Cheers and God bless you.